box. Open the big box.
Yeah.
Baden.
Baden?
Yes, that's it for Baden. What's in there? Right there. Can you see the video? What you see?
I can't do it.
What is that?
I can't do it.
Tell me.
I can't do it.
Do you like your helicopter?
Yeah. It's a Black Hawk.
It's like Daddy's helicopter.
Well, it comes starting then.
What do you think, dude? Do you see Daddy in there? No, he can't see it.
Right there. What is it? Tell Daddy what you got. You want to take it out of the box?
Yeah. Well,
Daddy.
what's it?
Tell Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. I got a new helicopter.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you.
I don't want to talk to you.
All right, we'll call you back in a minute.
It's a Black Hawk. Wow.
So is that like Daddy's helicopter?
You guys shoot guns.
You guys shoot guns?
Is it Daddy's helicopter? Uh-huh. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you,
My new helicopter.
is there somebody in there that looks like Daddy?
The guy.
Those guys and that guys? Do they have muscles like Daddy?
Yeah. Whoa. Look, it comes with little ornaments so you can put them in. Thank you, Dad. Let's go to helicopter. That guy. We are
Braden, do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you tell Daddy, tell the camera, tell Daddy thank you.
Thank you.
Give a kiss.